If you've been considering an automatic edge bander for your production shop, but the cost and size footprint just keeps one beyond reach, look no further than the G0854 Compact Automatic Edge Bander. We've taken our larger G0774 automatic edge bander and streamlined the design for a more economical profile, perfect for small to mid-sized shops. This bander may be small, but it can handle some heavyweight jobs with the capability of banding workpieces from 1/2 inch to 1 3/4 inches thick, with edge banding tape from 0.5 millimeters to 2 millimeters thick. Once set, the workpiece is quickly moved along the 10.5 by 69 3/4 inch long table at an impressive 16 feet per minute. Simply pull out the support arm for larger workpieces, then insert the workpiece along the adjustable infeed fence, and it immediately begins receiving glue and edge banding tape. Once inside the machine, the workpiece with the edge banding attached is evenly pressed against the pressure rollers for maximum adhesion and is automatically trimmed to length. And finally, the workpiece is flush trimmed top and bottom. Throughout the entire operation, the G0854 features dust collection through its dual 4-inch dust ports. Convenient size, easy controls, and a great price point makes the G0854 Compact Automatic Edge Bander the perfect addition to your small, medium, or large production shop. And it's available on Grizzly.com.